morning.
You're SoCal County Observer.
SoCal County Observer.
You look prepared.
Trying to be.
Yes.
Thanks. Look at, they got this shit roped off right here.
Looking an awful lot like an event that they never paid to get permits for.
Well, they got permits.
For this?
Yeah.
Oh.
This is permitted.
I did not know.
They wouldn't be able to close this shit down without a permit.
Well, if you have a protest is a protest.
Sorry, can I ask you guys to move out of the polling place? This whole area? Yeah, so everything from the porta potties to the intersection.
Ma'am, we're in public.
Yeah, we're in public right now.
Right to be right here.
Oh, you do, but we're just keeping people moving because it's a polling place.
It's a what?
Polling place. So you see the signs say it's a voting location.
Yeah, that's fine. We're not interfering with that at all.
It doesn't have anything to do with the polling.
Right. So if you could please keep moving.
No, we're gonna stand where we want to stand, out in public.
We're right here in front of law enforcement. Maybe you could ask them to ask us.
Yeah, we're just.
It's your right to ask us. It's our right to refuse. You have a great day, man.
Wow.
And there's also the non-tolerant.
Yeah.
We just witnessed the non-tolerant.
Yeah. I think he's just misinformed. But, yeah.
Either way, you would think there wouldn't be a problem with filming from right here.
You know what they try to...
It's your right.
They tried to tell me a couple of times when I was recording outside of a polling station. They tried to tell me it was illegal, and they tried to tell me that you can't be here. And I looked it up, and
you can be here. You just can't be.
You can't dissuade. Yeah, you can't dissuade anybody from voting.
I don't believe that's your intention.
No,
certainly not mine.
And honestly, it would be hard to prove, kind of, people's intention. You know what I mean?
I'm here for documentation, as you.
Yeah. See, this guy's. He's telling everybody to move out, move on. And this lady is still out here. Don't let people in the comments, don't let these people like
Hi, this is the polling section and we can't have anybody stopping. That's why we have the signs.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Well, is this not a public sidewalk anywhere today?
You can't loiter, you can't stop. You can use the sidewalk, but over there, we have to stay within certain feet from.
So today,
just today,
this is no longer a public sidewalk, is what you're telling me.
No, this is very much a public sidewalk, but it says.
I see the little paper signs that law enforcement didn't put up, that somebody else put up.
Well, the county put it up because this is the polling house.
I'm not going anywhere. I'm going to document the protest. I'm not blocking. There's a tree right here. I'm not blocking anybody from moving. So
we need to have no stopping.
And do you have a permit?
In front of the polling.
Do you have a permit for that megaphone?
I don't think I need it. So if you could.
I'm gonna go back and forth on this sidewalk. Have a good day. What's up, Howard? That's the second lady that's tried to kick me off the public sidewalk here. Hi.
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
This is a polling place. We don't actually have access to this with the permit.
To what permit?
the permits for the streets.
Oh, okay.
This is for, like, this is a separate thing, not counting lots. It's California's fair and safe elections. We can't have anybody who's participating in the rally within this taped off area.
I'm just documenting. I'm not participating.
I know, you're more than welcome to document from over here. We can get you set up somewhere else. But this is an area that we need clear.
Yeah, I'm not leaving.
Okay, I'm happy to, like, we need the space clear. It's a ballot drop-off spot.
No.
It has nothing to do with us.
I'm not going anywhere.
Okay, cool.
Patriots and people who love their country. What I see is this is what democracy looks like in America. Speaking of democracy, my job now on this stage is to talk to you about
Great.
the most powerful, peaceful, democratic we have. Powerful, peaceful weapons to push back against this fascism which is creeping up on us. We're going to use the word and not going to shy about it. Okay? We're facing a fascist threat in this country. And Proposition 50 is the way we tell the world that we're not going to have it.
Oh, she's not going to come back? Boom. Boom. That's how you do it.
Applies to you, but we were told not to stand in this area.
Yeah, it doesn't apply to me.
Okay.
Have a good one.
Local artist. We are citizens, not subjects.
I need you inside of the yellow.
Don't touch me.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah. I don't know who you think you are. You can grab people.
Police are there. We're within 100 feet of a polling place.
I'm not trying to dissuade anyone from voting or putting their ballot.
I'll leave you there, but they could arrest you.
No, they can't, actually. This is a public sidewalk still, lady. You need to understand that. This lady tried to grab me, dude. What the hell? This vested lady just tried to straight up grab me and manhandle me off the sidewalk. What's up, dude?
What'd you say?
What?
What were you talking? Are you recording?
I'm talking to my audience.
Oh. You're recording this whole thing?
Yep.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
Come on. You need to move on. This is... Okay. Then I need you to stand closer to the yellow.
Look at she's hands on, dude. She's a hands-on lady right there. Look at this guy's still trying, dude. He's still trying.
Every time.
How's it going?
Do you have a problem?
No.
No. Sure,
Do you have a problem?
Yeah, I do.
Oh, what's
Sure,
your
that's
problem?
An older lady.
What's your problem?
I believe it's you.
Oh, okay. Cool. He's with the hands-on lady? All right, folks. That's going to do it. I will see you on the next one. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate all you guys.